Geometry number 258, prisms. A prism is a polygon that can hold water because of the space inside. Okay, here's a right prism. See how it's got a 3D shape? And if we set it up like this, and it had no top, we could use it like a cup, couldn't we? 3D shape. It can hold water. All right? Now, that's different from a polygon that is on a flat shape. Okay? So we're talking about 3D shapes now. They're called triangular prisms because their bases are triangles. If you were to open it up, it would look like this. There's a triangle against my dry erase board, and there's a triangle out here, and then there's 3 rectangular sides. See? 1, 2, 3, with 2 triangle bases. If the bases are rectangles, then they'd be rectangular prisms. But these are triangular prisms. The more you pull the bases away from each other, the more altitude or height it gets. This is kind of a short, fat one, and this is kind of a long, skinny one. Okay, let's put it this way, and then you can see. See, it's long and skinny, short and fat, but they're both triangular prisms. See that? So, I've got 2 planes. Think of it as a sheet of paper and a sheet of paper, okay? So if we put a sheet of paper on top of that one and one underneath it, those would be 2 planes, okay? And the farther you stretch that, the more height it gets. See, there's the height. All right, so there's the base on top. Here's the base on the bottom. And notice that this one kind of has a slant to it. Well, that's because there's 2 types of prisms. There's a right prism and an oblique prism. The oblique one kind of goes on an angle like that, and the right prism meets at a 90-degree angle on the plane and in each of its lateral sides, see? So, let's take a look at the right prism first. The lateral edges meet perpendicular to the base. They're all 90 degrees here. Or this height meets the plane at a 90-degree angle. See that? Around the bottom here, around this triangle, are the base edges. It's all the edges around the base. Now in the oblique prism, the one that's slanty, all right, each one of these long edges is a lateral edge. Each front piece here, like here or here, that's called a lateral face or a lateral side. They are the actual sides of the prism. They meet at the lateral edges. See that? That's what it looks like opened up. So can you imagine that if there's a plane on top, piece of paper on top, and there's a piece of paper on the bottom, and it's got these 3 sides going around, how many planes are there? There's, my dry erase board would be plane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 planes. Same with that one, 5 planes. Okay? Going all the way around it. So, a triangular prism is on 5 planes. That's it. We're going to discuss the area of these prisms next. So that's why it's important to know there's 5 planes. I'll see you there. Bye.